Artsies! Today I will be unboxing a LEGO Friends Friendship Treehouse set, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Here's the back. It looks super cool, and it's my first big LEGO set. If you don't know what Legos are, Legos is a fun building toy for any age, and you can build anything you want other than the set it is supposed to be meant for. I'm almost done building. And here is the finished product. It is so pretty, and I'm so excited to have it on display. This Friendship Treehouse set has so many cute aspects, like a working swing that you can push, an adjustable telescope, and opening windows, and 5 extra little parts that you can play with. This set also comes with 4 mini dolls, which makes it worth it. It also comes with around 3 animals, and I'm so excited to use them in future builds. Look at these little windows, they're so cute. There's also around 2 balconies, which I think is super cool. Here is Mia on the swing. There's also a character named Jackson, which I'm showing right here, and I've never heard about him. Here we have a little stand to sell honey, a little workshop table, and look at this little honeycomb. There's also this working bike that actually moves, and a cute little beekeeper's hat. Inside there's also 2 jars of honey. Now the inside is super cute. I love it so much. Inside there are 4 floors, which I think is super cool. There's a little bathroom down here, a kitchen, and then 2 bedrooms. And there's also a working elevator for Jackson. Here is the kitchen. It is super cool. It has 4 mugs, a cake, a little oven with a cupcake inside, and a little drawer with forks. Above the kitchen is a bedroom with a little computer, and here you can see Olivia in her beekeeping outfit, and there are 2 beds in a bunk bed sort of form, and a little box of pizza. And up in the basement there are 2 beds, and River's here chilling with his guitar. Overall, I think this set is totally worth it. And it even has a windmill, super cool effect, a working elevator, a slide, a swing. I mean, what more could you ask for? I'm so excited to put it on display in my art table.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching Noel's Artsy Hangout. Subscribe.